Hi, in this video we're going to be talking to Paul Floyd of Transparent Glass Studio and see some of his work and his lovely workshop. And it's Transparent Glass Studio, and we were just having the conversation because some people miss studio, but it is studio. It does amaze me that people get things wrong, but hey ho, they do, don't they? But great place, look at that. So what is this one, Paul? Still life?
Still life.
Oh, it's great, isn't it? And you've got some cut pieces right in the middle of that.
It contains a lot of handmade pieces. So there's some cut pieces.
That's, yes, this is lovely, the one with the spiral.
That's kind of hot shot work.
Okay.
Some fused, you know, the under one at the top.
Fused, yeah, got it.
Formed, etched.
And this is cut.
Cut. Through flush.
That one is,
Etched.
oh, it's all going on. It's all going on. Looks great.
Little roundel at the bottom, that's,
Oh, this?
yeah, again, a little hot shot formed piece.
Love it. And that one is similar still life, is
Yeah.
it?
Yes, I mean, it's a bit more abstract.
Looks great.
More handmade elements, some ceramic pieces.
In a nice frame. Ash, maple. Yeah, ash. This one's ash, that one's maple. They look great.
They work really well in wooden frames.
They do, don't they?
And I like them because they're freestanding.
Yes, I've done some more recently, haven't I? I've been doing frames for some of these. Oh, I love your little signature there. You'll have to go and see Paul's work if you want to see that little signature. It's great. Actually, I've just looked at that, and you've got a Frank Lloyd Wright book up here. Let me just get this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Paul, look at this lot.
I know, it's great.
Isn't it fab? Have you ever been asked to do a window like that?
I've done a geometric abstract one, a bit inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright and
Yeah.
Freddie Macintosh. I did a window once.
Yeah, they're great.
Yeah.
And you've got some other bits in your window, and these will be here for the festival. Looks great. Now, I just want to show how organised. I mean, Paul, when I first came here, nearly 10 years, I think it was 10 years ago, and I saw Paul's workshop. I mean, I saw Vic's down the road, and it was like, wow, Vic's stuff is. And then I came in here and saw Paul's, so organised, it's fantastic. Look at all this. Just, you blow me away with how organised, and I love the way you just, that's there. Let's come over here. Here's Paul's kiln. Paul doesn't want to be on shot because he doesn't want to. That's fine. Look at this for fantastic organisation. I absolutely love it. I wish I could be if I could just be 10% organised like Paul is, my workshop would look fantastic. I mean, look, identical jars. This is what I need to be like. I need to be more like this. And you've got all sorts in here, haven't you, Paul?
Yeah.
So these are beads and things. Oh my life, look at this.
Those are for fusing, so they're accessory pieces for fusing
Great.
pebbles. We make a lot of our own.
Oh.
We just use the offcuts to make pebbles.
Oh, and you drink tea and coffee like the rest of us. And that's great space. That's a bit like Paul. And then I'll go over to this side of the studio. Paul's got some work on the bench. I'll have to ask him if we can just do a little bit of... Look at this. I mean, I'd never thought, before I saw this, I'd never thought where a good place to show off your collection of glass would be. And it's right under the window. You've got all that wonderful daylight. I mean, this just looks... I love how... Look at that. Oh, that's the one. That's what we're going to use to start the... Yeah, that's my thumbnail. All that blue glass down there.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. And when you're working in an environment with this, with even just bits like this or bits around or whatever, it's yours. It's your space. It's your home. It's your comfortable space. It's where you...
Yeah.
Oh, love it, Paul. It's brilliant. Let's just show some of this. I mean, that's gorgeous. There's no lights on here, Paul, but it doesn't look...
I need to.
Excuse me. Oh.
It's fantastic.
Oh. Anyhow, Paul will be here, and you'll be able to meet him face to face. And as I say, looks a bit like that, but with a beard. So, right, see you soon.